So we have baby chicks that just hatched. So the black ones are, my friend gave me some eggs that are fertilized. And the brown ones are mine. And Mama is calling them. Mama is calling them to go out, but they need to be moved because they cannot get out. But she thinks that they can come out. This is so funny. So we're gonna move them right now with her. Oh, they're gonna jump and she's gonna catch them or something. Okay, so we gotta move them before they
hurt themselves.
Okay. Okay, Timothy's helping me to get out those chicks. What? Chick is here, moved. Water is here. Need to bring some food. Such a cute babies, 14 of them. She's so scared and doesn't want to come drink water. Tip, 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 tip. Here. Water. I'm trying to point to water. Do not be afraid. So cute, so little. Do you think I'm gonna hurt your babies? I'm not hurting them. I'm trying to teach them to drink. See? They look like marrons. Like blue marrons. All the babies hiding there. You good mama. You good mama.